Have you ever woken up after a full 8 hours of sleep, yet you still feel completely exhausted? Maybe you drag yourself out of bed with a heavy head, brain fog that refuses to lift, or you look in the mirror and notice dull skin, dark circles, or unexpected breakouts. You might even feel bloated, stiff in your joints, or just generally sluggish throughout the entire day. These are not just random signs of aging or having a bad week. Your body is actually desperately trying to talk to you. It is sending you loud, flashing warning signals that your internal filters are completely clogged and begging for a deep, natural reset. Think about your body like a highly advanced, luxurious car. If you never change the oil, if you never clean the air filters, eventually the engine is going to choke, sputter, and break down. Our bodies work the exact same way. Every single day, you are exposed to thousands of invisible toxins. They're in the processed foods you eat, the polluted air you breathe, the microscopic chemicals in your drinking water, and even the stress hormones your own body produces when you are overwhelmed. Over time, this massive toxic load falls squarely on the shoulders of your body's two most important filtration systems, your liver and your kidneys. When they get overworked and tired, your blood becomes thick with impurities, and your entire system slows down. Now, when most people realize they need a detox, they immediately panic. They rush out and spend hundreds of dollars on expensive, complicated juice cleanses, strange chemical supplements, or restrictive diets that leave them starving and miserable. But you do not need to do any of that. The most powerful, effective, and natural solution to purify your blood and deep cleanse your liver and kidneys is probably sitting in your kitchen cabinet right now, completely ignored. It costs pennies. It is incredibly easy to use, and ancient healers have relied on it for thousands of years. I am talking about the simple, humble fennel seed. But there is a very specific, secret way you need to consume it to unlock its true medical power. You must chew it in powder form. You might be wondering why you cannot just brew a cup of fennel tea or swallow some fennel extract capsules. Why is chewing the powder so incredibly important? It all comes down to the fascinating biology of human digestion. Digestion does not start in your stomach. It starts the exact second food enters your mouth. When you slowly chew a coarse powder made from fennel seeds, your salivary glands instantly go to work. Your saliva contains powerful digestive enzymes like amylase. As you chew, these enzymes mix with the fennel powder, pre-digesting it and pulling out the incredibly potent essential oils hidden inside the seed, specifically compounds called anethol and fenchone. By chewing the powder thoroughly until it forms a paste in your mouth, you allow these healing essential oils to be absorbed directly through the mucous membranes under your tongue and inside your cheeks. This means the medicine enters your bloodstream almost instantly, completely bypassing the harsh, destructive stomach acids that often destroy the delicate nutrients in standard supplements. You are essentially giving your body a direct, uninterrupted intravenous dose of pure natural medicine. This simple act of chewing transforms a basic kitchen spice into a highly bioavailable superdrug that immediately begins traveling to your most vital organs to start the cleanup process. Let us talk about your liver first. Imagine your liver as the ultimate hard-working janitor of your body. It works a grueling 24-hour shift, sorting through every single thing you consume, separating the nutrients you need to survive from the dangerous toxins that could harm you. But when you eat too much sugar, consume too many unhealthy fats, or deal with daily environmental pollution, this janitor gets overwhelmed. Garbage starts piling up in the hallways. The liver becomes fatty, sluggish, and inflamed. This is where chewed fennel powder steps in like a team of professional cleaners. It contains potent antioxidants and phytonutrients that directly target liver inflammation. According to the Arabian Journal of Chemistry, The essential oils found in fennel possess profound hepatoprotective effects. Hepatoprotective simply means that it actively protects the liver from chemical damage and physical stress. The study highlights that fennel helps reduce oxidative stress within the liver cells, allowing the organ to regenerate and heal itself. When the fennel compounds reach your liver, they stimulate the production of specific enzymes that break down accumulated fat and flush out stagnant toxins. It is like finally opening the windows in a stuffy, smoke-filled room and letting the fresh, clean air rush in. Your liver can finally breathe and do its job properly again. But the cleanup does not stop there. Once the liver breaks down the toxins, they need an exit route. That is the job of your kidneys. Your kidneys are like the body's plumbing system. They filter your blood continuously, pulling out excess water, waste products, and acids, and sending them out of your body through your urine. However, if your diet is high in sodium, or if you do not drink enough water, your kidneys get clogged. Crystals of uric acid can form, leading to painful kidney stones, and excess sodium causes you to retain water, making you look and feel puffy and swollen. Fennel powder is a powerful natural diuretic. This means it gently and safely encourages your kidneys to increase urine production without causing dehydration or stripping your body of essential electrolytes like potassium. As you process the chewed fennel, it relaxes the smooth muscles in the urinary tract. It acts like a power washer for your internal plumbing, flushing out the built-up uric acid, washing away excess sodium, and preventing the crystallization that leads to kidney stones. Your kidneys are cleansed, refreshed, and restored to their maximum filtering capacity, which immediately reduces bloating and water weight across your entire body. When your liver and your kidneys are both operating at 100% efficiency, something magical happens to your blood. Think of your blood as the river of life that delivers oxygen and nutrients to every single cell, from the roots of your hair to the tips of your toes. When your filters are clogged, that river runs thick, dark, and polluted. But as the fennel powder cleanses the liver and flushes the kidneys, the river becomes crystal clear. This is what we mean by blood purification. You are removing the microscopic debris and metabolic waste that has been circulating through your veins and dragging your energy down. The science backs this up beautifully. According to the Journal of Food Science, fennel seeds contain an incredibly high profile of powerful antioxidants, including rosmarinic acid, chlorogenic acid, and quercetin. These antioxidants patrol your bloodstream like microscopic security guards. They actively hunt down and neutralize dangerous molecules called free radicals, which are responsible for cellular damage and premature aging. By trapping and removing these free radicals from your blood, fennel ensures that only the cleanest, most oxygen-rich blood reaches your brain, your heart, and your skin. This is why people who purify their blood often report a sudden, radiant glow to their complexion. So, how do you actually make and use this miraculous powder at home? The process is wonderfully simple, but you must follow these steps carefully to maximize the benefits. First, you need to buy high-quality, organic fennel seeds. Do not buy pre-ground fennel powder from the baking aisle because the essential oils evaporate quickly once the seed is broken. You want to start with whole seeds. Take about half a cup of the seeds and place them in a dry skillet over very low heat. You are going to gently dry roast them for just 2 to 3 minutes. You are not trying to cook them. You just want to warm them up until they release a sweet, licorice-like aroma. This gentle roasting process does something very important. It breaks down the tough outer cellular walls of the seed, making it much easier for your body to digest, and it wakes up the dormant essential oils trapped inside. Once the seeds are fragrant and slightly golden, remove them from the heat immediately and let them cool completely on a plate. Once they are entirely cool, transfer them to a spice grinder, a coffee grinder, or a traditional mortar and pestle. Grind them until they form a coarse powder. You do not want a superfine dust. A slightly coarse texture is better because it forces you to chew it more thoroughly.
Store this powder in an airtight glass jar in a cool, dark cupboard. Now for the daily protocol. It is incredibly easy to build into your routine. After your heaviest meal of the day, whether that is lunch or dinner, take exactly half a teaspoon of your freshly ground fennel powder. Place it directly onto your tongue. Do not swallow it with water right away. Instead, start chewing. Mix it with your saliva. It will taste sweet, earthy, and very refreshing, almost like a natural breath mint. Keep chewing and mixing the paste in your mouth for at least 1 to 2 full minutes. Close your eyes and just let the flavor coat your mouth. Once it is completely broken down and mixed with saliva, you can swallow it and follow it with a small sip of warm water. Within the first 24 hours of trying this trick, you will notice an immediate difference in your digestion. Because fennel is a carminative herb, it instantly stops the formation of gas in your stomach and intestines. That heavy, uncomfortable, bloated feeling you usually get after eating a big meal will vanish. Your stomach will feel flat and calm. Within the first 7 days, as the diuretic effect takes hold, you will notice that the puffiness under your eyes and in your fingers disappears. Your rings will fit looser and your shoes won't feel tight because your kidneys are finally flushing out that trapped, stagnant water. By the time you reach the 30-day mark of doing this every single day, the deep cellular cleanse will be in full effect. Because your liver is finally working efficiently and your blood is purified of toxins, your energy levels will skyrocket. You will no longer need that afternoon cup of coffee to stay awake. The brain fog will lift, leaving your mind sharp and focused. When you look in the mirror, you will see clearer, brighter skin, because your body is no longer trying to push trapped toxins out through your pores. As a wonderful side effect, the antibacterial properties of chewing fennel will also permanently cure bad breath, and the natural sweetness will completely kill your late-night sugar cravings. Of course, even with natural remedies, you must always listen to your body and practice common sense. While fennel is generally very safe for almost everyone, pregnant women should avoid consuming it in large, medicinal amounts, as it can mildly affect hormone levels. If you have a known allergy to plants in the carrot or celery family, you should test a very tiny amount first to ensure you do not have a reaction. And remember, consistency is the ultimate key. Natural medicine does not work like a chemical pill that forces your body to react in 5 minutes. It works by gently, steadily supporting your organs so they can heal themselves over time. You have the power to completely transform your internal health, and the secret isn't hiding in a pharmacy or an expensive wellness clinic. It is hiding right there in your spice rack. By simply roasting, grinding, and chewing half a teaspoon of fennel powder every day, you are giving your liver, your kidneys, and your blood the ultimate gift of purification. You are taking back control of your energy and your vitality. I challenge you to try this simple ancient trick for just 1 week and feel the incredible difference for yourself. Subscribe so you don't miss the next video, where we uncover more ancient, scientifically backed secrets to heal your body naturally. Now, I have a question for you. What is the most frustrating symptom of toxic overload you deal with daily? Is it the brain fog, the bloating, or the fatigue? Let me know down in the comments below. I read every single one. And if you want to know how to multiply these detox effects, click the video on the screen right now to discover the one morning drink that completely flushes your digestive tract. I will see you over there. Subscribe so you don't miss the next video, where we uncover more ancient, scientifically backed secrets to heal your body naturally. Now, I have a question for you. What is the most frustrating symptom of toxic overload you deal with daily? Is it the brain fog, the bloating, or the fatigue? Let me know down in the comments below. I read every single one. And if you want to know how to multiply